Ryan, and I do BRRs in Luton.
Excellent. And tell me, you're in the academy, right?
Yeah,
So tell me a bit about that.
yeah, it's a really good environment to be in. Really positive. It's helpful. All the mentors, the calls and stuff like that. Yeah, it's good.
Amazing. And what do you think the best thing is about the academy?
I'd say probably just the environment, the people you meet on there, and having the mentor calls. So they're always sort of there to book a call in if you need any help with anything.
Amazing. And what about being around Samuel? What's that energy like?
Yeah, he's got a lot of energy. Yeah, he has got. It's a good environment.
Lovely. And tell me a bit about what you're doing in property and how the academy has helped you achieve that.
I'm doing BRRs, so it's helped me in every bit of it really to sort of how to do finance, to how to finance the deals. The refurb side I sort of already knew, but after that to create like a service accommodation business off of it. So that's helped me a lot with different mentor calls, stuff like that.
Lovely. And someone who's thinking about getting involved in the academy, what would you say to them?
Yeah, I said it's really good. Like, if you want to do property, you need the support like the academy to help you do that.